Eating your own dog food in our industry means that you're actually using the same tools that you create, within your own business. The Design Make contest is an internally driven contest for any employee to focus on a new product that we're developing, and it was really to try to get feedback about how the product actually worked in a real life scenario. We formed our team, which was called Team All 360. Being an engineer on the sales team, I wanted to have a strong team that could really show everybody else in the organization that we really know how to use these products that we're trying to sell to our customers. So Matthew Sawhill, he knows how to run a lot of the machinery that we have here in Pier 9 already. So if we needed to make anything, on one of those machines, he was going to be the person to do it. We would probably need somebody who's got expertise in plastics. And so Jeff Higgins, who has a degree in plastics engineering, was the perfect candidate for doing those types of analysis. Anything we make, we want to make sure it's going to work. And that person was Abhishek Trivedi, who could run all of our Sim 360 products and do some of those complex analysis.
We did talk about the different designs we can make. We wanted to make the Autodesk logo in 3D and make it out of a puzzle.
We decided on a puzzle, but we didn't have any idea what it was going to look like. And so some of my first sketches that I created were using our Sketchbook Mobile product while I was on the airplane. So by using Autodesk 360, I was able to post those images up on the 360 site, and they were able to comment, approve it, put a different idea up there.
With the puzzle comes the challenge of it's not fitting the different pieces together properly, and the issue of making sure that once this part drops, it's not gonna distribute in multiple pieces or fails completely during the drop.
So we use Fusion 360 to do the design work. We use Simulation Mechanical 360 to simulate how the snaps were going to work. And then we use Simulation Mold Flow 360 to figure out the plastics flow if we decided that we were going to injection mold these parts.
So suppose we came up with the 3 different design ideas, and each design idea takes 3 hours to run. If you would have done it on our local machine, it would have taken 9 hours to finish. Using cloud, it finished in 3 hours, all the 3 design ideas. So it definitely did save us a lot of time. And not only that, we can harvest the amount of processing power available on the Autodesk cloud and be able to solve even those problems in a shorter duration of time.
One morning, heading out to a meeting, I received an email that Abhishek had posted some simulation results, up on 360. And I knew I was going to be tied up in meetings all day and I wouldn't get a chance to review it, and we were getting close to our deadline. I sat down at the hotel business center computer, logged into my 360 account. I was able to take a look at what he had posted and comment on it, and then move on, to the rest of my day.
Collaboration with a team as geographically diverse as us could not have done efficiently as we did with these parts. So Autodesk 360 definitely saved our life and saved a lot of time for us.
We use 360 to set up calendars, set up timelines and milestones, and that way we would be alerted, when those milestones were getting close, and we could get our tasks done to meet those milestones. The 360 is not a design tool. It's not a tool for engineers. It's a tool for the entire company to use to share ideas within an organization.
You worked hard to make all the pieces of the puzzle on the computer together. So just being able to getting inside the Pier 9 lab and being able to manufacture the pieces, we were able to prove out that how effective our simulation tools are and how effective our design tools are. Just the whole experience of having these machines at our disposal, it did not happen to me in my 9-year career. And be able to see the fruit of your labor come to light. So it was amazing. It was wonderful feeling.